Hi guys, it's Yuko here. It's such a beautiful day today. I wanted to make this video for you because I just filled up my water bottle with this gorgeous crystal in the bottom, and I wanted to make a video for you guys about how to do this, and also to make sure that if you are making elixirs with crystals, that you are doing it in a safe way as well, because there are some crystals that are not safe to put in water for ingestion. So what I like to do with this is put some alkaline water in, or spring water if you can. If you have some, then that's amazing. If you have like a fresh spring that is close to your home, then that's the ultimate best. In Vancouver, there's one close to Lynn Valley that is my favorite. But if you don't have that accessible or available to you, then just using your tap water, or using some bottled water but run through a water purifier, and that will change the pH if you have one that will allow your bottled water to be alkaline. And then put it inside here, and then you can leave it to absorb the energy of the sun during the day, or you could put it outside in the evening, and then you can have the moonlight in it as well. So that's really powerful if there's a full moon, or you're doing some sort of spiritual work with moon energy. Then you could sort of pay attention to the moon cycle and what you're wanting to attract and infuse into your water crystal elixir mix. So there are some crystals, like I was mentioning, that are not safe. So there's some crystals that have sulphur, that have copper, that have things that you are not wanting to ingest. So I'm going to put a list of them down below, so then you know, if you are making your own at home, then which ones are safe to be put inside water. So like this malachite, not safe to be put inside water. Lodestone, you wouldn't want to do that as well. So if you are wanting to get the energy of crystals that are not safe to put directly into the water, then what you could do is fill up your like a glass jar with water, and then you could put the crystals around it outside. Or you could, so you could do that. So it just, by proximity, you're getting the energy of the crystals infused into the water. So versus like this rose quartz, you can put directly in any of the crystal family, any of the quartz family. So like this clear quartz, that's totally safe to put inside. Or you could do like an amethyst. You could do a citrine as well. If you're wanting something for abundance, then that would be a beautiful crystal to put inside. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, that there are some crystals that are safe, some crystals that are not, and it's a beautiful, easy thing to do. It doesn't take much time. You can just fill it up and have a couple of jars, like going outside, and just getting the energy of the moon, the sunshine, and the crystals. I think it's just a really, really easy thing to have some positive energy into your water. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you are having a beautiful day wherever you are. And if you are wanting more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. If you're wanting some more videos on health, wellness, and spirituality, and check out my website, yukoturnbull.com. And then you can get some information about some courses that I'm going to be offering. I'm going to be offering an 8-week chakra course soon. And also I have some free downloads on there as well, if you guys are interested. So thank you again, and I will see you next time. Bye.